Family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you, my dear subscriber and viewer? I hope you are all well and fine. In today's video, we talk about short bob pixie haircut and how important our personality is to moving our lives forward. Short bob pixie haircut is the one of the most stylish and play a important role in shaping our experience, relationships, and overall well being. Is wonderful that you are creating content around this theme. Now, the short bob pixie haircut is the timeless and versatile style that suits many faces, shape, and the hair types. This haircut is a variation of the classic bob, typically cut close to the head with choppy layers, giving it a textured Pixie look. The short bob pixie is the generally cut shorter in the back and sides with the slightly longer top layer that adds volume and texture. One of the key benefits of the short bob pixie haircut is the low maintenance and easy styling. This haircut is perfect for busy individuals who want a stylish look without spending hours in front of the mirror. The choppy layer add volume and texture, making it easy to achieve a messy, undone look with the minimal efforts. If you like my video, please promote me and tell me in the comments box what kinds of video I should show you. The short bob pixie haircut is also versatile and can be dressed up or down, making it suitable for both casual and formal occasions. This haircut is perfect for those women who want a stylish look that can be easily transformed from day to night. You are heading the office or night out with friends, the short bob pixie haircut is sure to turn ahead. In addition to its versatility, the short bob pixie haircut it is also the flattering on most face shapes, oval, round, square, and heart-shaped face can all pull off this style, making it a great option for women who want a haircut that complements their features. The choppy layer and texture look add width and angles to oval and round shape, while the softening strong jawlines and angular features on the square faces. Pixie bob haircut is also suitable for most of the hair types, including the thin, thick, wavy, and the straight hairs. This haircut adds volume and texture to thin layers, reduces the bulk, and adds the manageability to thick hairs and enhance the natural texture and movement on the wavy hairs. On straight hairs, the short bob pixie haircuts the add volume and texture, making it is a great option for those who want to add some life to their locks. Celebrities such as Emma Watson, Mackley William, and Halle Berry have all rocked the short bob pixie haircut, making it is a popular choice among women who want a stylish and versatile look. With its many variations and stability for more faces, shapes, and hair types, it's no wonder the bob pixie haircut remains a timeless favorite among celebrities and individuals alike. To style the short bob pixie haircut, use a textured spray or promote to add volume and texture styles with the messy undone look for a relaxed vibe, or use a round brush and blow dry for a sleek, polished look. Emphasize the layer with the razors or scissors for adding a texture, and don't be afraid to experiment with different styling products and techniques to find what works best for you. Overall, the short bob pixie haircut is a stylish and versatile option for women who want a low maintenance and high impact look with its many benefits. Stability for many faces, shapes, and hair types, and celebrity inspiring. It's no wonder this haircut remains a popular choice among the women who want a haircut that complements their features and the personal style. Short bob hairstyles offer many options for those looking for the low maintenance, high impact look with its many variations and stability for more faces, shapes, and hair types. It's no wonder short hairstyles remain timeless favorites among celebrities and individuals alike. A classic example of short pixie haircut is the Emma Watson's and the David Beckham, a stylish example of the short pompadour, and the Scarlett Johansson, a stunning example of the short and choppy style. It adds a volume and texture to thin hairs and reduces the bulk and adds the manageability to thick hairs, enhance the natural texture and movement, adds volume and texture to the straight hair. Pixie cut are a very classic short hairstyle and generally cut close to the head and choppy layer. Undercut a style they feature a shorter bust, undersides, and the coiffure styles that features a swept back look. Benefits of short hairstyles are such more easy to maintain and style forms the face and accurate features suitable for most face shape and hair types, versatile and can be dressed up or down, reduce the frizz and adds shine. If you like my video, please like, share and comment on my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more updates and new types of videos. See you soon into the next video. Allah Hafiz. Family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you, my dear subscriber and viewer? I hope you are all well and fine. In today's video, we talk about short bob pixie haircut and how important our personality is to moving our lips forward. Short bob pixie haircut is the one of the most stylish and play a important role in shaping our experience, relationships, and overall well-being. Is wonderful that you are creating content around this theme. Now, the short bob pixie haircut is the timeless and versatile style that suit many faces, shape, and the